Hello everyone, I'm Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. Today we will learn understanding Facebook Business Manager and Asset. Before we will learn Facebook Business Manager and Asset, first of all, we understand the total structure of Facebook Business Manager. We use the Facebook Business Manager. We must need a Facebook profile. Then we create a Facebook page. I hope we all know that how to create a Facebook page. Facebook page under is Facebook Business Suite account. Facebook Business Suite account under is Facebook Ad Manager. Ad Manager under is Ad Account, and Ad Account under is Ad Campaign. Many ad campaign, just 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And Ad Account under is Ad Asset. Many ad set you need. And one ad account under is many kind of ads. That is the total structure of Facebook Business Manager. I hope you will understand. Before we learn Facebook Business Manager, first of all, we see that how Facebook ad show front of us. That is the mobile view of Facebook ad. We scroll and saw that many kind of ad that's like that. Mobile view of Facebook ad. Many times Facebook shows the ad for us just like that. Finally, we understand the Facebook Business Manager. Look at the picture. It is the total Facebook Business Manager account structure. The whole kind of things, the many importance. First of all, Facebook Business Manager under many kind of tools. The user, the asset, the event manager, the audience, many kind of things. The user under is people, partner, and the asset under is the many kind of pixel, the event manager, everything. And the audience under is custom audience, lookalike audience, the basic audience, demographic audience, many kind of things. And now we can see the total things practically. We go to the Facebook and that is my demo account. We scroll the right side and here is the option, the Facebook Meta Business Suite. We click here and inside here it is the Facebook Business Suite accounts. It's the digital solution and the Google Ads solution. It is my demo page and you scroll down. There is a many kind of tools here, the notification, the inbox, the partner, the ad, the all tools. We click the all tools here and that's you guys just see that the many kind of tools here. We will understand today the Facebook ad manager. We create the ad manager and inside that now we inside a Facebook ad manager. We click in the all tools and these 6 tools is very much important any Facebook ad manager or any freelancer and any business owner. First of all, the ad manager. Ad manager means we can manage our ad, we can create our ad and we can do everything for these tools. The second option is business settings. It's the most important settings, the Facebook Business Manager. And the third option is audience. We can create many kind of audience here and the business supports, the events, the event manager and the billing and payment method. And you scroll down and under is many kind of tools here. We can learn all kind of tools part by part. Today we will learn just Facebook business settings. We go to the Facebook business settings, then we can see the many kind of tools here. The right side, the total business settings tools here. First of all is the users tools, the account tools, the data store, the data source tools, the business information tools, many kind of tools here. First of all we go the business info. Inside the business info, it is our Facebook business business name, the first business name, and it is my business ID. This is the most important things. And there we click the edit option, and it's our business information. The first information is my local name, the most important things, the country, the state address, the state address to the city, the zip code, and my Facebook business manager or my business website, and the text ID, and the numbers and the status, the total things Facebook need. We send the total information for Facebook. Facebook optimize our business or optimize our page very possessively, and Facebook benefitable very much. So we can send the all kind of information to Facebook. Then we can save it. The next option is basically we learn the user. It is the many most important things of every business. The user means what kind of people and what kind of freelancer manage our total business. Look at this picture. This picture means the Facebook business manager. Facebook business manager under is user. Create the many kind of users, the people, the partner, system user. We understand the three type of user part by part. First of all, the people. Who is the people? People means who can manage our total business, as like me, as like you, as like any freelancer. So we can invite these people. He can manage our total business. We just click the invite and we send his people email address. So I go to the email address, any kind of emails. We paste the user email and click the next button. You can see that the many kind of tools here. The first tools is the basic and the basics. The second tools is the manager, the full control, and click here the last option is the advanced option is finance. The first tools Facebook says he manages our basic kind of information and basic kind of systems. The second option is apps or integration. He can manage our conversion API and many kind of things. The manager tools. The full control means he can manage all kind of information, the all kind of process in our business. And the finance means we can click the view. He can just view our finance information, and the click the manager. He can view and he control everything. We can just click the next button, and the next option is the people manage our this space, the business, the digital solution, and see here the many kind of tools here. The first option is connect. Connect means he create and he manage and he delete my every kind of post. And the next option is community activity. Community activity means he can respond our comment, he can remove our any kind of post, and he can respond the any kind of activities in our this business. And the next option is message and call. He can call my audience, he can message my audience, and he can reply. The next option is add. Is the most important things. Ad means he create my business ad and he can manage and he direct and he create many kind of page in this business. The next option is revenue. Revenue means he can optimize many kind of business project and he can manage the ad revenue things and he can optimize all everything. The next option means he can manage all kind of things. And the last option is full control. Full control means he can manage all kind of information. Let's see the right side, many kind of option here. The cancel page. You can cancel our page. And the next option is add account. We don't have any add account here, so it is empty. The catalog. We don't have a catalog, so that is empty. The pixel. We don't have recent the pixel, so that is empty. And the dataset. We have the one dataset here, and we can select this and we can set the practical asset and the full control. he can control the total things of our dataset, and we can send the full control and click the invitation off. Let's see that the invitation is going. This person responds our invitation. He can manage the total things in our business. The next option is partners. Partner means any kind of agency and group of people manage our business. Uh, let's see that picture. That is our business manager. We can use the user. He can just use that is this kind of things, and we can select the partner. He can manage the business asset, the full business asset, and he can provide many kind of group and many kind of person, total group of person manage our one business. That is the things. It's doing the partner, and he can manage our all kind of asset, the app, the page, the ad account, the pixel, and the many kind of catalog and the conversion tracking, everything he manage the partners. Okay. And the next option is system user. System user means many kind of business have a big property. So he can manage her Facebook business and also a website. He can hire the developer. The developer comes and set the pixel in the backend, so he can optimize and he can use the total business. So that's why he can use the system user. That is the things. So I hope you will understand the total business manager account and asset. Is there any problem? We just contact me. Link in the description. See you the next class.